Hi everyone, welcome. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. My name is Mike. If you're new to this channel, it is IPO Market Watch, but we don't cover just IPOs. In this channel, I cover everything from stocks already trading, dividend stocks, exchange traded funds, everything, guys. So if you want to subscribe, hit the like button. If you like the content that you see, I would really appreciate it. So we're living through some very tough times. Russia, Ukraine, Israel, Palestine. Both of those are not even a joke. It's actually extremely sad, just the thought of it, because there's a lot of people suffering. I hate that. I get to the point where I don't even want to even look at pictures or read news about it because it makes me very sad. That's just, sometimes you get very sensitive when you have kids, especially if you have kids. I have kids and I don't like that stuff. So, what we're going to look at, guys, in this is a stock that has to do with cybersecurity. In fact, this company has not just one cybersecurity company. I think they have 5 or 6. We'll get to it, but you'll see it. And pretty much all of them, them. They're at the top, if not the top brands there is out there for the consumers, right? And not the U.S. government. The U.S. government has their own cybersecurity, I'm pretty sure. If not, they can go to Palantir. But this is definitely actually going to see, and is already seeing, an increase in revenue and an increase in members. Because, hey, who doesn't want to now have cybersecurity on their laptops, your mobile devices, your PC, cars, electric vehicles now are going to have cybersecurity connected device, everything, right? So anyways, cybersecurity is something that we all need now. If you score one of those, you made, you don't even have to trade for the rest of the year. Now, TPST, Crazy Pump, says this member on my Discord. I'm not going to show who it is, just in case they don't want to, but it was on October 10, 2023. Why did this person post on October 10, 2023? And don't worry about the 11:30 p.m. That's Greek time. It shows to me when the person was posted. It gives me the Greek time. So if you go back 8 hours, that's New York time. But TPST, Crazy Pump. Why would this person say that? Why would they say that? Because in my Discord, you would have seen it on the news that comes in, that there was news about it right here. And we get the latest news there is out there, the fastest and latest. So if you want to join my Discord for that, you can also join my Discord for Dark Pool and all that stuff. And it's just amazing. Now, after this person gave that post, then people started to read about it. Then there was the halt, and we got a halt. And we have a halt channel in the Discord that instantly gives us what is halted and what is not. And so people started digging into what's going on. People took advantage of it in my Discord and they made money, so that's awesome. And it went over $9 and it's now sitting at $4.55. Not bad. How about ticker symbol PSHG? This was my alert that I gave yesterday, and I made a screenshot of the stock and I placed it in the Discord like this. And it was at $2.02, and I went on to write for anyone feeling like taking a gamble. Why did I say that? I'll explain right now. So PSHG is a shipping company, and I give them the news while it was at $2.02, and I say that Sphinx Investment Corp is offering to purchase all the outstanding shares for $3. So they're basically saying, I'll buy out the company for $3 a share, and the stock is trading at 202. That's why I said if you're thinking about taking a gamble, because if you get into this stock at that time when I said 202 and just said, you know what, I'm going to hold for the possible buyout, and the possible buyout occurs, then you're winning big time, right? You're going to make really good profits. But if at the end of the day, the company says, no, I don't want you to buy me out for $3, or somehow they stop it, I don't know where your investment would go. So that was that. But I did tell them after that, I'm going to get in at 202. Actually, I got in at 203. And then I would sell really quick at 210, 212. I ended up selling at 212. So we did take advantage of it anyways and made a nice quick gain. So join the Patreon, guys. By joining the Patreon, you join the Discord. To join, you go to patreon.com/bullmarketwatch. All right, and the stock I want to talk about in this video, guys, is Gen Digital Incorporation, ticker symbol GEN. Very excited about that. It's trading at 17.48. The PE ratio is at 8.36, and you're looking at the max lifetime chart of the company. You know what? If you have gotten in from way before and held till today, you'd still be up no matter how many times it has gone up and down. So overall, it is a great company, and it has rewarded its long-term investors, and I believe that it will continue to do so, and it will rise even more. This stock, to me, is not worth $17.48, but minimum $25, which I think by the end of 2024 it would have already hit $25. Gen Digital Incorporation provides cyber safety solutions for consumers in the United States, in Canada, Latin America, Europe, all over the world, guys, internationally. It offers security and performance Surveillance products comprising that provide real-time protection for PCs, Macs, mobile devices against malware, viruses, adware, and other online threats. Now, their latest earnings for Gen Digital was a non-GAAP EPS of 47 cents and a revenue of $946 million. So if we look at the revenue at $946 million, which was the most recent earnings that came out, that was up 33.8% year over year in revenue. The next earnings is going to be on November 7, 2023, so mark that if you're interested. Q2 for year 2024, revenue expected to be in the range of 940 to 950 million bucks, and the Q2 for year 2024 EPS is expected to be 46 to 48 cents, which is the one that's coming up on November 7, 2023. Now, the products of the company, what do they offer? Well, they offer Norton, and I think you pretty much know them. You know Avast, I'm pretty sure. I'm sure you know Avira. I'm sure you know CC Cleaner. It's actually an app that I use on my phone to clean up my phone. And AVG, the cybersecurity that I have for my PCs is Avast, and for my mobile devices I have Norton. So, and I didn't know, actually, to be honest, that Avast and Norton were part of Gen, but yeah, doing this video I figured that out. So I use their products and I'm very happy. I'm a happy customer. I like them. In 2022, Gen Digital's revenue was $3.34 billion, which was an increase of 19%. Think about that. Cybersecurity, guys, is only going to increase and increase and increase every year going forward. The world is just, forget the wars. Let's just not think of, let's pretend there are no wars. This is a world we're living now that is going full digital. It's already gone full digital. Now it's shifting already full into artificial intelligence. Everybody's using mobile devices, laptops, PCs. Now the electric vehicles will also need cybersecurity, all sorts of things. I mean, cybersecurity is something that's just a must now. So this company has a really, really bright future. In fact, this company has been pretty much in the green since 2017. They hadn't been red since 2016. So from 2017 going forward, they're doing really good. The earnings, for example, was $1.35 billion, which was an increase of 61% to the prior year of 2021. So just doing really amazing, and I think this is a pretty cool company. The company has over 500 million global users who are using their products, 150 plus countries that it is available at. Here we can see the revenue from 2020. In fact, if you look at interesting, in 2020 was $2.49 billion, which was an increase of 1.38%. From 2020 going forward, the world changed a lot, right? And so did cybersecurity become more prominent than ever. And now you see from 2020 going forward, the company has been growing the revenue on the green. If we look at consistent execution, yes, they have a broad-based growth, Q1 revenue of 946. Cyber safety is up low single digits in constant currency when including Avast historical results. Strong operating leverage at scale, and they have continued EPS expansion. You can look at all that more if you pause the video. I'm not going to go through all these details because the video will take too long. Non-GAAP guidance for the Q2 for year 2024 is that revenue, like I said, would be from 940 to 950. If we look at the cash flow statement, net income $1.3 billion, guys, for 2022, and it's going to finish higher in 2023. Think about that. And they've been pretty much they had a positive net income from 2017 going forward. So everything is pretty good. Balance sheet and cash flow, as you can see here, $850 million free cash flow. That's good. $1 billion capital return to shareholders. They do give a dividend, so you also get a dividend by owning this stock. The total debt is at $9.8 billion, but they're handling that perfectly fine and still staying profitable. And the analysts are giving it a low of 21, average of 23, and a high of 27, 28 bucks. Let's say 30 in my opinion. So either way you look at it, the analysts believe that this stock should be trading higher than what it is right now. So that's that, guys. Gen Digital Incorporation. Let me know in the comment section below if you think this stock is worth buying and holding. And investing should be that. Investing should be fun, worry-free. Great companies, park your money. You know they're gonna grow. You'll get your dividends and all that stuff. I think this fits all those criteria. And I wish you guys all the best. Take care.